How to install a flush-mounted clean door with a handmade panel.
Step 1. Place the door frame inside the door opening. Step 2. Insert aluminum strips on both sides of the door frame. Step 3. Secure the first screw hole position. Step 4. Use a laser level to check if the door frame is vertical. 5. After confirming verticality, secure all screws. Step 6. Install the door panel into the hinge position of the door frame. 7. Use a hinge wrench to adjust the door gap. Step 8. Install the decorative cover and re-inspect the entire perimeter gap. Step 9. Apply sealant between the clean room interior wall panels and the door frame. Step 10. Apply sealant between the clean room exterior wall panels and the door frame. Installation complete.